If you want to enable or disable BeaconLink on the OnePlus 15R, we need to go to Settings, then in here choose Mobile Network, and then you should be able to find the BeaconLink option. So we can go over here, you can add BeaconLink to the home screen if you want to, and then tap Agree and continue to be able to use it. We also need to grant access to contacts in here and other stuff, so make sure that you grant all the permissions, and also turn on Bluetooth, because BeaconLink works with Bluetooth. So if there are other devices that also have BeaconLink, so other OnePlus smartphones or Oppo, Realme, and so on and so forth, this feature can also be called free call instead. If they are near you, you should be able to communicate with them, or be able to communicate with them. And that is pretty much it. Actually, there is one more thing. In order to be able to use BeaconLink, most likely you will have to use an Oppo or OnePlus account or something similar. So of course, if you go back to settings, you can set up your OnePlus account over here, or you can go to the users and accounts, and then you can sign into a OnePlus account in here, or you can create an account if needed. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.